Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we have a viewer request to craft American Girl breakfast food ideas. In this tutorial, we show you how to make yummy oatmeal with fruit, muffins, waffles drizzled with syrup, and a bacon and egg hot breakfast. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! For the breakfast bowls, we are using the base segment from these colourful Easter egg containers. Place them on non-stick paper to fill 1/3 with hot glue. This step will seal the little holes and also weight the bowls, stopping any wobbles since the bottom isn't perfectly flat. For the milk, mix equal parts liquid glue with white acrylic paint. Stir thoroughly to combine, then pour the mix into your bowl about 2/3 full. For oats, we are using real cooking oats bought from the grocery store. Scoop 2 to 3 teaspoons into your bowl and mix well so they are saturated in the glue. You can leave your oatmeal plain or decorate with fruit. Here we have slices of banana from a polymer clay cane and tiny air-dry clay blueberries. Search your stash. Coloured beads and fun foam shapes work well too. Our strawberries originally came from a dessert-themed eraser. Leave your oatmeal overnight to dry. To make muffins, we are using these 25mm styrofoam balls and large corks. Carefully cut the styrofoam in half and cut the bottom centimetre off the cork. Place your styrofoam on a non-stick surface. Draw a ring of hot glue around the base to extend the circumference of the muffin top. Then cover the dome with hot glue. This works best if your glue gun has a low temperature setting. Leave till completely cool, then peel off the paper and clip any hot glue strings. With more hot glue, join the cork and foam together. You can leave the muffin as is, or for extra detail, draw thin lines of hot glue to mimic the indents from a muffin pan. Using a light brown colour, paint the muffin base and top. It took a few coats to become opaque and show off all the imperfect texture created by the hot glue. For faux sugar, coat the top of your muffin with liquid glue, then sprinkle on craft sand. If your dolls prefer classic chopped chip, paint on little blobs with dark brown acrylic paint. Next are the waffles. For this, we are using Fimo Light microwave clay tinted with yellow acrylic to be a soft dough colour. Roll the clay out to be about 5mm in thickness. We are using the plastic packaging saved from a biscuit tray to emboss the classic waffle squares. Place over the clay and roll firmly to impress the shapes. Cut out or punch 3cm squares for your waffles. Following the package instructions, microwave the clay dry and hard, ready for painting. Start with a yellow-brown shade and lightly rub the colour all over the waffle with your brush. Following this, take a reddish-brown paint to deepen the colour at key areas like the corners and centre of your waffle. Tap the excess paint from your brush before shading so this darker colour does not get in the crevices. Next, cut a square of white fun foam for the butter knob and paint a light yellow cream. To make syrup, fill a container with clear glue. Add a tiny amount of yellow food colouring. Then add an even smaller amount of red to get a rich amber colour. Use more glue to stack your waffles together and secure the butter square. Drizzle your syrup over top. Note, we put a sheet of cling wrap between our plate and waffles so we could peel off after the syrup mix had dried. Let's move on to the hot food. Referencing an AG bacon piece for size, draw 3 similar shapes onto pink cardstock. Stack and glue 4 sheets of cardstock to make the bacon thicker. Cut out. To colour, we are using a combination of 3 markers. take your darkest brown and trace around the edge of the slice. With red marker, make thicker border lines. Switching to your light brown marker, draw a thin oval in the centre of the bacon slice. Now carefully colour everything outside the oval using your light brown marker to blend. We are aiming for a well-cooked, crispy bacon colour. Repeat on the back side of the cardstock. To shape our bacon, we are using Totally Rudy's straw technique. Weave the bacon piece through the straws, or in our case, cake pop sticks, then press down to create waves in the paper. Since it's 4 layers thick, this may take some effort, but the results are worth it. You can leave them as individual slices or match the AG version and use liquid glue to adhere together for a cute trio. Cover both sides with gloss Mod Podge for a shiny finish. To see how we made this fried egg and toast, click the card's top right of screen. With such a variety of healthy yet yummy breakfast options, there is sure to be something for every doll. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. Have fun making these doll breakfast foods and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.